Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing this package that I got from Olive and June. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I received this package from Olive and June and I ordered it some time ago. And I'll be honest with you all that it took a really long time to get this package. I did cancel my order and the company went ahead and sent it to me anyway, and so that is the name. And I wanted to go ahead and see what's inside of this with you all because I saw this on Instagram and ordered it in April and really wanted to get it, but it took so long to get it. And you know, with the current situation, it's easy to understand why it took so long. And so our salons here have opened. I didn't see a need for this anymore. And when I learned that they were going to go ahead and send it to me, I went ahead and just had my toes done and figured that I would use this to do my nails, my hand nails. I did want to show you all the packaging. The card in here says beautiful nails for everyone. The other side says let's make your nail dreams come true. And so this is a company that was established in 2013 and their packaging is so beautiful and amazing. So the polishes came separate and I just tossed them in here just to carry the package into my office, and I will go over these shades that I selected with you. The first thing I see in this box is this item here, and it says it's the nail polish remover. It comes sealed like that, and I don't have any polish I need to remove, but I'll go ahead and open this so you all can see. I'm not sure what's inside of here, if it's a sponge or just liquid. So I do want to go ahead and open it on camera. So yes, it's a sponge in here that I'm assuming you can stick your nail in and just kind of swivel it around and it'll take your old polish off. And this isn't gel nails, this is regular polish, and it shouldn't require any heat lamp or anything like that. So that's a very nice size of nail polish remover. It says it's 70 milliliters, so 2 fluid ounces, so half a cup. And I'm sure you can pour your own in here and reuse it. There is some in here. Then you see this pretty little bag here, and it's kind of like a pink color, very pretty pink color. You really can't tell on camera that it's a really pretty pink. And so inside of here you get a nail file, and it's your typical nail file that has kind of like the harsher filing side and then the not as harsh side. You get a little brush to clean up if your polish goes outside of your nail bed. You can clean it up. That's really nice. I really like that, and I like the little container it comes in. You get a top coat polish. Then you get another filer that kind of feels like a sponge filer. You get a little pair of nail clippers. That is so cute. Look at that. That is so pretty. Then you get this Cuticle Serum, which I'm in desperate need of some cuticle maintenance. My nails are really bad. And then you get this item here. Okay, so this is supposed to help you handle the nail polish well. And I didn't realize this, but these just pop off like that. And then this fits on here. It's called a poppy, and it's supposed to help you control the polish wand better. And then all that comes in this little bag. Let me see what the bottom, it has this little, I don't know if this is any part of the package. So I think this came loose, but it's supposed to stay in the box, and you're supposed to be able to put your phone in there, because inside it says selfie for selfie. A shelfie for your selfie. It says call your bestie, watch a tutorial, make a video. And so I'm assuming this is where you can place your phone, and it'll give you the ability to situate your phone where people can watch you do your nails. So let me show you the colors that I picked. Now I picked some colors, and then some just came for free. I believe I was able to pick 4 colors. And so I picked this kind of peachy color, and it doesn't really have a shade. It says B1. And then I picked this color that's kind of a taupe color. It has an MM on the bottom. I picked this pink color, and it has JM on the bottom. And then I picked a darker color. This looks like a bluish purple color, and this one is HJ. And then this one was sent to me for free. It's a gold color, and it's OJBH, and it's just that gold color. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails. I'm not gonna do them on camera. I'm just gonna do them, and then I'll show you the end result. And so I'm really happy that they did go ahead and send this package to me. It was very nice of them to do that. This entire package retailed at $112. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Okay, so that was really easy to put on. I really like that the gold is not real pronounced that it's pretty subtle. So the last part is putting on the top coat, and it seems like this polish dries really fast, but I don't know that I would go in and put the serum right after around the cuticle area. But if you can be patient and order the box, it's definitely worth it to purchase it. And I'm so thankful that they sent it to me, because I wasn't patient enough to receive it, and they just were gracious enough to go ahead and send it to me. It's definitely worth the money. As you saw, we went through the website, and you can get free shipping with the code word summer. And so there are my nails. And the only thing left to do is to put on the cuticle serum, and then I don't think that I need to go around my nails with this little brush, but I think that it would be very easy just to dip this in here and go around the edges of your nails so that they will not have any overage. This little poppy universal polish bottle handler was beneficial. I did see a difference of when I did use it and when I didn't use it, and it's very easy to take off and interchange even while doing your nails. So I really enjoyed having that. So as I mentioned, if you want to order this, I would order it, but I would order it with the sense that it may take a little bit longer than you like, but I definitely recommend it 100%. It's an amazing item for the money. I think you get a lot more than you would if you went out and bought all of this stuff on your own. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you all. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.